So in any object, any mesh in the 3D software, especially in the Blender, it will have its own center or origins or uh, pivot. huh? That pivot, once we finish the placement and alignment, all that, we have to apply all transforms. Where is that option? We are in object mode now. Go to object menu. In that apply is there, and in that under the apply menu, you will see all transforms. See, when I apply it, the pivot or origin, it comes back to the world origin here. Well, yeah. So after this only we have to apply, like we have to go to the process of UV unwrapping all that. Right. Now, so we are going to do apply this all transforms for all the objects. Uh, Control A, all transforms. So now for the next thing, no, I don't have to apply going to control A and then all transforms. I just have to press the next object and then shift R. R means repeat. Repeat the last action. So I am just pressing shift R in the keyboard. You see what is happening? It is repeating the last action. What is last action? It is all transforms, applying all transforms. So you just select every object and then shift R like that. And so every object we are applying shift R. Now, if you see in nature, no object will have sharp edges. Even blade, no, or knife. If you look at the sharp edge, that is using the microscope, it will have a blunt edges with jig, like jiggle, like saw edges, like that. It will be have zigzag edges will be there. So no edges in the nature will have a sharp edges. So here also we should bring the same concept. Like here, these objects or these wooden beams need not have sharp edges. So how to make those edges soft? We have an option for that. I'm pressing Control space in the keyboard and then going to Properties Editor, which is below the outliner. There in the properties editor, I am taking my cursor to the modifiers and going to add modifier, then choosing generate bevel. So what it is saying is, when I keep my cursor on this bevel option or bevel modifier, it is saying add a procedural operation effect to the active object, generate slope. Generate sloped corners by adding geometry to the mesh edges or vertices. So it will add a sloped edges. It won't be so sharp and a sudden turn won't be there. It will have a slope before turning. There will be a slope. So that slopey turning one is what we are going to apply. So I'll go back to this add modifier. Under the generate menu, we see this bevel modifier and I'm applying it. And in the bevel modifier settings, edges tab is switched on. Okay, fine. Width type is offset. Let it be what is default. And amount is zero point 0.1. You can see this is the 0.1's effect. This value, amount of bevel, is here. The 0.1's effect is this one. You can see how it is slopey now. Now if I reduce it, you see what is happening, 0.02 or something. You see there is some little, the slopiness has reduced. So maybe 0.01 should be okay. I think. Yeah, 0.01 is okay. Only thing, I want to add one more segment. So how to add? below the amount of bevel, we are seeing the segments also. So let me increase the segments to 2 from 1. Okay, this is fine, I feel. If you want, some people want to increase 3 also, it's okay, whichever, maybe we can put 3, huh? But more than 3 it is not needed. Maximum 3 is okay. Right. Now we have to apply the same thing for everyone. So remember, we have to first apply all transforms, only then we have to apply bevel or unwrapping process on them. Right. Now I am selecting the second object and then applying the same. I am going to generate bevel and then zero point 0.01 or whatever, and just going close up and checking it. Maybe 0.02. Okay, 0.02 is too much for this, so 0.01 is okay. Yeah, segments number 3. So now, no, I need not apply for everything, going to add modifier, all that. I can just copy this modifier to all the objects. How? I will select whichever has no modifier. So I will select one by one. Okay, this one, they all need modifiers. So I'm gathering all those who need modifiers. I'm selecting. This bottom one also. Right. Now I will finally select the one which is already having modifier. That is, you are selecting all the slaves and then finally the master. Huh? You see now, something is in active selection. Okay, this guy is in active selection. So, but this guy doesn't have any modifier. So this guy is going to be should be the active selection. Whoever is having this modifier should be the active selection. So I am finally clicking on that which is having modifier. Yeah. Now this is active selection. You can see it is in yellow color. Others are all in orange color. Right. Now I am pressing Control L, and then choosing copy modifiers. Yeah. Now you see all are applied now. So it is bit soft. I will switch off the X-ray mode, then you will be able to see it. You can see that. So then we have to do the UV unwrap. So till this level you can do. Huh? You can open your screen and tell you how to do it. Yeah. Yeah, the chair you saved, no? That one you can do. Yeah. So now you know, no? That is for going to perspective. What you will do? Middle click. Just middle click, and you will get the perspective. Yeah. Okay. You have to duplicate also. Right. Select the top object. Top object. Yeah. Press frame selection. You got the keyboard today or no? It's not so complicated. A desktop keyboard, no, it's very cheap outside. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. For your convenience only, I'm telling. Okay, huh? Yeah, yeah, because those things should not be an obstruction, hindrance when you are working. No, those things should not be a hindrance. Okay, right. Now press dot There is view selection, no? Yeah, yeah. Down, down. View selection. View selection. Bottom is a viewport. Yeah. So now turn the camera right side. Middle click and turn the camera. No, no. Camera. You are turning. You are trying to do. Yeah. Right. Now you little sideways. You see from side we want to see. Little more tilt. Yeah. Okay. Let it be like this. Pan the camera upwards. Okay, you don't know what is panning camera. Yesterday I told you know press shift and then middle mouse button drag the mouse. Yeah, that is pan the camera. Right. Now the view be like that. No, don't change it. No, zoom in, zoom in. No, don't change it. See when we are keeping no, don't change the view so that from there I can start. Otherwise, it will keep on delaying. Huh? Right. Now little zoom in. No, it was correct actually before. Yeah. Now uh, you switch on the Z X-ray right side. Yeah, yeah. Very good. Switch off the X-ray. Switch off. Yeah. Now Shift D and duplicate it. Yeah. Escape. And then now in Z axis, no, move it down. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Enough. Now go to scale option. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now in Z axis scale it down. It should be small. Yeah. Little more. Yeah, enough. Now go to move option. Little move upwards. Yeah, enough. Now you can duplicate and keep it. Shift D, escape, and move it downwards. Yeah. Yeah, this gap is correct. Okay. Now duplicate another two and maintain the same gap. Huh? Yeah, very good. One more. No. You didn't duplicate it. No. Undo. Immediately undo. If you don't try to replace it. Undo. Duplicate means shift it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, you have duplicated the incliner, those hoods and all we have duplicated. Fine. Now we have to apply all transforms, right? Now yeah. Now from the top you can select uh, one by one we'll do. From the top that big incliner is that Control A, yeah, all transforms. Yes, super. Now second one, yeah, all Control A, all transforms. Yes. So why I am saying again and again, no, you can just copy it. That is repeat you can do, but you that should get impressed in your mind. No, this Control A, all transforms. For that we are doing it again. Now it is enough impression. Now select the other one by next one you select. Yeah. Now press Shift R. Yeah. Yes. Like that for all of the objects you do. Press Shift R. R for repeat. Okay. It is repeating the last action. Last action is what? All transforms. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Apply. Do the same thing. Shift R for everything. Shift R. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And also the bottom object I think That is a support object, no? Support under the seat, one object is right. Okay, fine. You have done this. Now we have to do the beveling, right? So now you select the top object. Yeah, view selected. Yeah. Now little right turn camera, no? Turn the camera rightwards. Yeah, yeah. No, before you did it correctly. Just now, in the beginning, what you did. Okay, leftwards you turn, leftwards you turn. This, this opposite side you turn. Yeah, yeah. Little more, little more. Yeah. Now zoom in so that no we can see the edges. For that only we are trying to locate that edges. So that we can see the close edges in close up, no, for that. Right. Now you have done this much. Now you know what is where is properties editor, no? Go to properties editor. Yeah. There do you see so many icons are there in the left side? Yeah, so many. There do you see anything like spanner shape icon? Yeah, that is all. That is all. Below one. Ah, that is all. Yeah, yeah. So what it is naming? The blue color? No, it is not blue color. No, blue color one. No, no. Spanner kind of spanner. You okay? Where you try to find the modifiers, where it is labeled modifier, you just try to find. Ah, yeah, yeah. So it is looking like spanner, right? Am I right? Yeah, okay. So switch on the highlight. Now little maximize the properties window, no properties panel. Not there. No, 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 not there. Next one. Next one. Here, left side. Left side. Left side. There only. Yeah, yeah. Just yeah. Very good. Very good. So whenever you feel you are going to work in properties editor, no, just maximize and start working. Because by default in Blender it will be little minimized only. It will be very lean. We have to just little expand it and work. Right. Now you have gone into you have selected the object. You are in object mode. Now you are going to add modifier. Go to add modifier. The right side, press add modifier. Yeah. In that, under generate menu, do you see bevel? Second option. Yeah. On. Yeah. Now you see some changes happen. Do you see that? If you want to see the change again, no, I will tell you. I will tell you how. Bevel word is there, no, above in the right side. Four icons are three icons are there. In the middle icon, switch off. Do you see the object changing on and off? Just do and yeah. So it is creating that slopy edges or softening the edges. Because I told no, in nature, no edges will be sharp. Huh? Even blade, when seen in microscope or something, it will be like a blunt surface only. It won't be an edge. Huh? So same way here also we should apply the same concept. You can switch on that. Huh? It is a viewport symbol. You can switch on that here. Right. Now below that, edges is on. Yeah, correct. What you have done. There is by default it is on. So let it be on. Right. Now width it is asking. So we should you can just click on the width type. Yeah, it is showing many things. So we are here choosing offset. Huh? Or we can choose width also. If you for your understanding, no, offset means it may mean something else for you, for anyone. So you can choose width. Yeah. Now amount of softness it is asking, or amount of bevel. Bevel means softness. That's all. So amount of softness it is asking. So you see it is 0.1, right? So 0.1's affect what you are seeing. So if you put 0.05, just try 0.05. No? Yeah, no, 0.5. 0 and 5. Yeah. Yeah. 5. Yeah. Enter. Do you see any change? Only bevel. Uh-huh. Okay. Little close up you go. We have to go. Zoom in. Zoom in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Zoom in. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, yeah. Little turn the camera so that we can see the side portion properly. Little, yeah, correct only. What you did is correct. Yeah, yeah. Little further, further. Yeah, yeah. Enough. Now you go to amount of edges, amount of softness. There you put one only. One. No, you can double click and point one. You can put double click. Yeah, double click. It will, like that. Yeah, yeah. Point one. Yeah. I think I don't know why it is not showing. No, no, it must apply. It is not refreshing. I think. Okay, you do one thing. You increase the segment, no segment to two or three. Let's see if it is refreshing or not. Three you apply. Yeah, yeah. So we have to put more values in the amount. Huh? Go to amount. Yeah. Put 3.3 or something. Okay. So okay, change it to offset only. Change it to offset. Which type is offset? For this object, offset is only suitable, I think. So point one you put in the amount. Point one you put. Yeah. Okay, I think this is okay. Now we have to apply. Maybe we can even reduce. I think point zero 0.05 you put. Point zero 0.05. Yeah. Point zero 0.05. Okay. So it is not changing much. I think all transforms is applied no for this one. Just take your cursor to the viewport and press N no N. Yeah, it is applied only. Fine. So okay, I think it is very flat. I think that is why it's not suiting. Right. Now we can copy this bevel parameters to all the objects. How you select all the objects in either in outliner or in the viewport. If you want first just learn how to select in the outliner, bring down the properties editor, properties panel, no little that it, yeah, yeah, like that. Here only you can just draw the box selection and then select. Yeah, let just draw the box selection. uh, just left mouse button and then click and then drag. Okay, you go to the first icon in the toolbox. In the toolbox, left side. Yeah, first one. Yeah, yeah. Click it. Now draw the rectangle in the outliner. Right side. Outliner is right side. Yeah, that is it. Draw the rectangle. No, left mouse button and click draw the rectangle. Yeah, yeah. Just left mouse button click, no? Left mouse button click and draw the rectangle. Left. Okay. Wait. I'll see. I'll show you how to do. I'll. Yeah, I'll share. See, I'm keeping here box selection and then like this. I think you didn't press the left mouse button, I think. Yeah. Only if you press the left mouse button and then drag the mouse button mouse, no, it will. Yeah, yeah. You do once again, press deselect everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Means what? Last time you didn't press hold it. You were just pressing and leaving it. Left mouse button. Right. Okay. Fine. Now you have selected it. You just zoom out in the viewport and see everything is selected or not. Yeah, everything is selected. Now select the one which is having that bevel modifier. The topmost object, no, that is the one which is having bevel modifier. Yeah, shift select. Yeah, right. Now control L. Yeah, and copy modifiers. Yes. Now any one object you select and just zoom in and see, check how it is looking. No, no. Just select. You can deselect everything and select only one object. Yeah, any one. Yeah, just zoom in and check it how it is looking. Yeah. So do you see that the softened edges are being applied? Yeah. So this is what we want. Okay. Now we can do the UV unwrapping process. Okay. Now yeah, I will show you in my screen. Now you see, if I when I go to edit mode, you see how it looks. Yeah, the lines are sharp only. Inside the sharp lines, you can see the surface. You can see the surface, soft edged surface. So why, it is, and go to modifier for this object, particular object, and select the object and go into edit mode, and then looking at the modifier and just switching off the thing. You can see that. See the change is happening. So these the three icons near the bevel modifier are for viewing alone. Just for viewing, no, you can switch on and off. Sometimes it is for softening the edge. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is like that's why the software is saying it is sloping. If just suppose you are going to some mountain, we say no, the mountain is very steep. It is not curved mountain. It is if you go there to the top and look down, it will be very steep. You cannot step further like that. So that is called it is not slopy, it is steepy. Mountain is steepy, but here it was steepy. Now by applying the bevel edges, it became slopy. It is not steepy. Yeah, yeah. So that is slopiness. So that slopiness the software is creating when you apply bevel edges, bevel modifier. Yeah, yeah. Now you can use these icons near the bevel word. You are able to see bevel, these three icons for viewing it. If you don't want to see them, you can switch it off like this. If you want to see them, you can switch on. Why, uh, no, no, not for viewing purpose. It is in the rendering final output also this will come. But sometimes, no, yeah, sometimes if you are modeling so many things, for example your interior or something, windows are there and doors are there, in that so many other small things are there. So for everything you will have to apply bevel modifier, no. So if you, for everything, if you switch on the bevel modifier, render may crash. The software may crash. You wouldn't have saved the file. So for that purpose, we are giving less work for the screen, for the blender ram, for the machine we are giving less work temporarily. So for that we are just switching off it, so that now you can you need not calculate this bevel all the time. Whenever I am rotating the camera, all the time it will be calculating. Yeah, yeah, load. Yeah, it is because of the load, no, it may crash. So for, at that time, you can apply the bevel modifier, but temporarily you can switch off. When you have to switch on, when you are doing rendering work. Rendering work means I told you, no, it is converting the whatever you have done, lighting, texturing, coloring, everything you would have done. Then finally you are converting it to 2D images, sequence, video. Yeah. So when you are doing that final work, rendering work, at the time you can switch on and do the rendering work. Till you do the production work, at the time you can temporarily switch off. For that only they have given these three icons. Like this you can switch off. But now you switch on because we don't have many objects and all. No? Only one chair is there. So like it can be in switched on. Now, now we are going to do the UV unwrapping process. We were in layout modeling, layout module. This is menus, and these are submenus where my cursor is submenus. And in the upper region, you are seeing layout, modeling, sculpting, all that. They are called modules: layout module, modeling module, sculpting module, like that. And fourth one is UV editing module. There only our work, next work is. So I am selecting one object, or let me select this object, which is flat. No, this is bit slanting and all. So let me go here and then select it. Now, when I am doing this UV unwrapping process, I want to see only this object, whichever I am going to do UV unwrapping for. Only that object I want to see in the viewport. Other objects I want to hide it. So you already know how to hide it. You will go here and then hide it. Yeah. Just look at the outliner. What I am doing. See, in Blender software, no, hiding is very easy. Yeah, see what I am doing. I am pressing eye icon. You see what I am doing. I am pressing left mouse button, just dragging my mouse after pressing hold the left. So it's very easy. Huh? Not like, yeah. In not like in Maya software and all, we have to select and hide. Select and hide, like that is difficult. Yeah. So they have reduced our. They are saving our work. Blender has saved our work. Right. Now, even more shortcut is there. How to do is, I am pressing. I have selected this object. Right. Now don't want to see temporarily other objects. Okay. How to hide them? I'm selecting. After selecting the object, I want to. I want them. I want it to be visible, and then I will hide the other objects. I will press Shift H. You see what is happening? The other objects will get hidden. Yeah, Shift H. Yeah. So when you have to select, okay, any one object you have to select, then press Shift H, and then other objects will get hidden. Now we have to go to edit mode. See, for UV unwrapping, no, we have to go to edit mode. You know what is edit mode? Edit mode, where we can see components. What are the components? Mesh components, vertex, edges, and faces. You already know that. Huh? So I'm pressing edit. There is tab in the keyboard to go into edit mode. Yeah. Now we are in edit mode. Now you know that by default it will all be selected. So we have to do the deselection. Alt A. Yeah, deselection is done. Now I will select by myself. I will do a fresh selection. Right. Now I will select this part and then this part. Okay, fine. I have selected top and bottom. Right. Now I will go to UV editing module. See here also in UV editing module, till now we were in layout module. Okay, now we are into UV editing module. Now we have in UV editing module two viewports. One is hello. You're, yeah, okay. What it is? UV editing. Uh, UV editing, I told you, no, it's a preparation for uh, texturing. Yeah, yeah. One second, one second. No, 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 not at all. If you do for one project, one object, no. So for example, for lesson, one lesson, if you learn, then you will come to know. Yeah, and if you repeat the same thing, you will know. Okay, it's very. It is not difficult, we should say, but it's very. It's to experience it will be very nice. Yeah, you will even when your mom calls, hey, do this, I have this work. No, you won't get up. Like that, you will become. I assure you. Hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Maybe in the beginning it may look like that, but it is actually not difficult actually. You may, yeah, yeah. After that is why we have to repeatedly doing the same lessons. Yeah, yeah. Then you will become well versed because whether you are going to any other object or this lesson or that lesson or any project, this is going to be the pipeline: modeling, UV unwrapping, texturing, shading, lighting, animation, rigging, and then rendering. This is one. So once you do this, you go from it is like you are going from your house to your office daily, going and coming, going and then your subconscious mind will do all that. You like that it will become your muscle memory like that. So so that extent we should practice. Then you will become hands-on. Huh? So you don't worry about that. You will attain that. Huh? Right. Yeah. So in UV editing, no, you are seeing two panels. On the left side, you are seeing UV editor panel. On the right side, you are seeing 3D viewport. Generally, in layout module, we are seeing 3D viewport. No, same here also it is there. Yeah. So yeah, here if you press one, it will go to front orthographic, 7 top orthographic, 3 right orthographic. When you press middle mouse and drag, it will become user perspective. Same, it is normal 3D viewport. Yeah. Now on the left side, it may look different. It is looking flat. It has no 3D space. Yeah, it is called UV editor panel. Okay, UV means XY. UV means you need not break your head. It is just XY. Instead of XY, no, the software 3D software is naming it, giving a new name. That's all. Because instead of XY, they are giving the UV. That's all. Because it may confuse. For that sake, they have given this UV. Otherwise, no, it is XY only. You see, it is looking like graph. You see, in school times we do graph work, no, in the book. It will look like that only, you see. Yeah, so in that graph what we have, that units, if you see x and y, right, here it is u and v, that's all. Huh? Longitude, latitude, or latitude, longitude, same, that's all. Right. Now in the UV you will see the mesh. After doing the unwrap, you will see the mesh. You will see the faces. I will show you that. Now you see, for that we have to select the meshes. You see, I have selected the object and then entered the edit mode, where we can see the components, faces, vertices, all that. I'm in face mode now because we have everything to do with face only when it comes to UV editing module. Sometimes we may switch to edge mode or vertex mode. Mostly we will be in face mode only. So every time we have to switch on the face mode and then start working in UV editing module. Right. Now, yeah. Now I'm taking my cursor. You see, many options are hidden because this screen is divided into two. No, many options are hidden. What I have to do to make it visible, I'll take my cursor to the submenus and scroll my button. You see what is happening? I'm scrolling my button, middle mouse button. Yeah. Do you see anything happening? The submenus are running. Yeah. So that way you can see all the options. That is, if you go to layout module, all options will be visible. Here you don't have to do middle mouse button and drag. But when you go to UV editing module, many things will be hidden. So at the time, take your cursor there and then do middle mouse button scrolling, and then you will see all the options, right? Now switch on the X-ray, and then you can see it transparent, right? You are able to see its transparency in transparent is, so that we can see the other side also. For that only this option X-ray mode, right? Now I am pressing 7 in the keyboard, that is in the numerical pad, to see the top orthographic viewport, right? Now what I am going to do is I am going to switch on this. Do you see this icon, small icon where my cursor is? Do you see this? Yeah, can you tell me what it is looking like? What it is, whatever you are able to see, that you can just tell me, so that I will know what from here. No, I will know what you are looking at for that. Do you see what? Are you able to see it? Or yeah, yeah, very good, very good. That is the one. Yeah, to arrow mark, it is called sync button. You can also read that a label is showing up. UV sync button or XY sync button, we can call it UV synchronization button. So that button we should always switch on. Whenever you come to a UV editing module, immediately switch on that. You will immediately see whatever you have selected. You can see that is called sync. If I select here one, you see I am selecting here this face, it will show here. I am selecting this face, it will show here. I will select this face, it will show here. You see that when I select it here, it is becoming highlighted. You see that? Yeah. So that is called sync button. This sync button should be on. Whenever by default it is off, you have to switch on. Right. Now I am, for this slab, wooden slab, I am going to select the top portion, the top surface and bottom surface. Okay. Now sorry. Now are you able to see the top surface? I have selected, right? I will change it to matte cap. Yeah. Now I have selected the top surface. I want to select the bottom surface too. Okay. Now I will press hold shift in the keyboard. That is shift selection I am doing. So both the faces I have selected. Right. Now you can see now two faces I have selected. Right. Yeah. Now I'll go to top view in the 3D viewport and press U. That is, I'll press U here. That is in the 3D viewport. I'll press U and choose project from view. Project from view. This option, remember, project from view. You see what is happening? Immediately it became like this. Right? Yeah. Now you may feel why it is so much, why these many things we have to do. You will know it after some time. No, you will know it. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So I am selecting the sides also. This side, parallelly this side also. Yeah, parallel faces I'm selecting. This side and this side. Huh? And next is this side and this side. Like that. Right. Now when I have once after selecting it, I want to see it not in sideways. I want to see it from this like that. So its front portion I'm seeing like this. After selecting, I'm pressing again the U and then project from U. Right. Yeah. It is giving the snapshot, and we have to move it upward some outside the this UV space. This is called UV space, or in school time we call the graph book the graph space XY. So we are calling here UV space. Outside the UV space, I am keeping these UV unwrapped pieces or islands. We can call it island also. This is one island, this is one island, this is one island, this is one island. Right. So two islands we have unwrapped, remaining two are there, that also we are going to do. This one and then this one. Right. Okay, fine. We have selected, okay, we have selected it. Yeah. So now this one from its front we have to do the unwrapping. I'm pressing U and then going to do the unwrap project from view. Right. This also done. Yes. Now all of these guys, these islands, I bring into the UV space, and I'm maximizing this UV panel, UV editor panel, control space, and then making it bigger. Okay, fine. Now this also I will make it bigger. This little smaller. Okay. Now this is done. I will show you why we have done it. Okay. Now UV unwrapping is done. Okay. Now I will go to material properties and give a new material. Okay. That is some color I am giving. For that, we have to go in the properties editor. There is something like we saw modifiers from modifier properties we saw. Like that down, we can see material properties. So there you highlight it and then rename it as W B or wooden slab, W slab, and then MATR material. Now I will switch on to Studio in the viewport shading menu. Now whatever color I am going to give, it will be seen here. I will give some red color or blue color. Okay, okay, green color I will give. I will make it dark. Okay, fine. So color we have given. Okay, fine. But I want wood texture, wood image on that. Okay, like how I told UV unwrapping in the first session. I told you, I think. That is when you go to buy a canvas. Have you ever bought a canvas from the shop? That is painting canvas, no, watercolor painting and all. They do big canvas like that. I don't know whether you have seen that. In okay, okay. So that is generally artists go to shops and buy that. Watercolor painting artists, no? They do buy the canvas. It is made of this calico material. Some threads will be there in the behind, and they will be made of cloth and paper. Together they have made it. So that canvas will be rolled. The shop wala will give you in a rolled form. So you will buy it and bring it to your home and spread it on the table and then write it. Right? That is how you do. Or paint on it. See, if it is in a rolled form, can you write or paint something on it? No. So you have to unroll it, keep it on the table flat, right? And then you start painting. Am I right? Yeah. So for example, you can take even papers. when you go to a newspaper to buy a magazine, no, they may give you a rolled newspaper when you're buying. So once you come home, what you will do? You will spread the paper and then read it. That's how you do, right? Same thing we are doing. See, if the object is wrapped like this in a box form, how can you apply some painting or texture on it? You cannot. So for that, what you are doing, you are going to UV editing module, and then you are unwrapping it. You are unrolling it like this, right? You are separating the pieces, piece after piece, and spreading on this table, UV space table. You are spreading on it and going to paint on it. That is what you are. Okay. So now uh, we have applied some material in the material properties in the properties editor panel. Right. We have done that. Now I will go into base color and then go into image texture. Okay, and then it will show you new, open, those buttons and all. It will show you. I'll say open, and you may not see what I'm seeing. Now I'm going to apply a image texture which is downloaded from Google. If you just type in Google wood texture like that, it will come. If you want, I will show you that also in the finally. So many wood images with wood textures and all available in Google for free. You can download it and keep it as a library in your computer. Right. Now I am choosing one wood texture, wood image. Now you see it will show you. You see that? Yeah. See? I will go and show you in the UV editing module. Do you see that? Yeah. So this is how. When you unwrap the mesh pieces, no. Now it is this wood texture is getting impressed on that pieces of unwraps. So as a result, you are in layout module. You are able to see the textures on the unwrapped pieces. Here one piece, this is one piece, this is one piece, and this top surface is one piece, bottom surface is one piece of unwrap. Like that. It is all spread here in the UV editing module. You can see that. See, it's all spread here. Huh? So in layout module, you are able to see. So this one object you try to texture it. I will guide you. You can share your screen. Yeah. And send you the texture image also. What I have applied here, no. I'll send you the texture image by WhatsApp. I will send you. Huh? Yeah. You can open WhatsApp in your laptop. Huh? Is it possible? Okay. No. Once I send you, I will tell you. Then you can. I have sent you something, but this is not the thing. This is the result what we should get. Just for a kind of reference, I have sent you. I will send you the texture image. Huh? I'll send you. So this, no, in your WhatsApp, you can right click and save as. in your um, that is in your laptop, inside the textures folder. Do you remember yesterday we created assets texture? No, no, only one. This last one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Correct. Name it as wood texture. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. Yeah. Now you can close this WhatsApp. I think. Yeah. Now the first object on the seat, no, one wooden slab is there, no, first wooden slab. That one. Yeah, that one you select and then view selection, close it. View selection. View selection means below the escape button, no, you have view selected. Now zoom in. Yeah, enough. So don't change the view. Let it be like this only. Okay. In layout module, let it be like this. Now, yeah. Now press Shift H. Yeah. So all are hidden. Right. Only this object we are going to first try. Right. Now, yeah, yeah. Now go to UV editing module in the top. Yeah. Now here, uh, go to just close up. Bring it closer. There is view selected only for everything, view selected. That's why, if that keyboard is there, it will be nice. Okay. Now, no, you have to bring more closer. No, no, no. It should be in the center of the viewport. No, no, you should not move the object. Move the camera. No, no, no. See, I told you, no, panning the camera. One option is there. Shift and middle mouse. Yeah. So don't forget this. Huh? Right. Now zoom in. Yeah. Okay. Now go to face mode. Third option on the top. No, you are seeing. No. Escape. That is, do you see on the top edit mode, vertex mode, face mode, all that? Yeah. Last one. Yeah. Now press Alt A. That is, you have to deselect. I told you, no. Generally in Blender, everything will be selected when you go into edit mode. All the components will be in selection naturally. You have to deselect and make your fresh selection. Right now, now you are going to do the fresh selection. Now select the top face. Yeah, but you should not select at the edge. No, undo. When you are selecting the face, no, you should select in the middle of the geometry. No, middle of that surface. Even, yeah, no, you are selecting at the edge corner. You are taking your cursor and selecting. I want you to bring your cursor, keep in the middle of the geometry and then select it. Yeah, that is the middle, no. Yeah. So yeah, so when you are you remember this, when you are selecting the face, you should keep your cursor inside the geometry, center of the geometry, and then select it. Right. Now, yeah, now press hold shift. Whenever I say press shift, no, you have to press hold it. Okay, just pressing is not enough. Press hold it. Right. Yeah. Now go to the bottom. There is turn your camera and go to the bottom. No. No. You are doing shift. No. Keep it in the view back. Again, no, no, no. That is how it was. Shift, bring it at the center. You don't change the view, I'm saying. Shift the mouse, shift middle mouse. Yeah, keep it like this only, don't change. Now, only middle mouse. Yeah, yeah, I told you not to pan the camera but to turn the camera. Yeah, how will you turn? Middle mouse button. Yeah. Now turn the camera, tilt it down. That is from the bottom we have to see. Ah. Now you are able to see the bottom surface, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now press shift and then select the bottom surface. Go to its middle. Yeah. Yeah. So now you have selected the top surface and bottom surface. Go now press 7 in the keyboard. That is go to top view. I think you have to go to that same yeah, top. Yeah. Now press U in the keyboard. Yeah, box. Sorry, project from view. Project from view. First. Yeah. Do you see the change happening? Left side, it changed. Yeah. Yeah. Now I told you, no, we have to switch on the sync button. Left side UV editor panel. Switch on the sync. Yeah. 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 Right. Now go to move option in the left side. Yeah. Move it upwards. That is outside the room, outside the UV space. You have to keep far away from the UV space. Go further. Yeah, enough. Yeah. Now you have done the UV unwrapping for top surface and bottom surface. Now what are remaining? Sides. Okay, yeah. So first front side and back side. Go to middle. Go to 3D viewport. Turn the camera. Yeah. You yourself select, no. Select first. That is side. Any one side you select. Deselect and then do fresh selection. Yeah, this side also okay. Select this. Not yeah, very good. Yeah, that side. No. You from here, no. You have to go there and do it. Yeah. Shift to select and then yeah. So both sides you have selected. Now go to right view. Yeah. Press view selection. View selected. You go to view selection. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Zoom in. Yeah. Now go to press U. Yeah. Project from view. Yeah. Now this also unwrap. Okay. This side unwrap. You can move it outside the room. That UV space outside it. Yeah. That is it. Now what is pending? This side. Two sides. Very good. That is no. You have come. You have gone into the. You have zoom out. You are inside the geometry. Zoom out. Now turn the camera and you always do Alt A. Okay, deselection you do. Do the fresh selection. Now from the starting you select. That is this whichever side we didn't select and do unwrapping, that side you select. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Turn the camera. Yeah. Shift to select this side. Yeah, very good. Now go to front view. Yeah. Now press U in the keyboard. Project from view. Okay, right. This also you keep it in the top. Oh God, what happened? That old one you didn't deselect. What happened to the old one? Okay, you keep it upwards. Keep it upwards. I think you shift selected and you did undo. I think. Mm. So you have to again do it. Uh, so deselect and then yeah, that side also you should select. Yeah. So this one, how from where you will take snapshot? Right view. Yeah. I will tell you why. That is this what you have selected. No, from where it is completely seen. Can you tell me? You just go to top view and see whether it can be seen from top view. Yeah, these two sides. No, you cannot see. Yeah, that is left or right. Yeah, not even front. No, no, no. Go. Edit mode. Don't come out of edit mode. Go into edit mode. Yeah. So either left or right is correct. Very good. Now go to right view only. Huh? Go to right view, and then oh god, I think deselected. I think so. You have to select again. So careful, okay? When you are choosing any, no, 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 no. Other side you have to select. No, no, you are not. You are shift select. You should do. Now go to right view and then press view. Project from view. Yeah. So this one is also done. Just bring it down actually, little down. Yeah. No, no, no. Inside the room only, inside the UV space. Now, these make it bigger. Press yes in the keyboard. Yeah. Drag the mouse away. No, 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 no. Wait. No, no, no. Undo, 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 undo. Escape and undo. Now, see when you are selecting, no, uh, when there are many things, you see many vertices are there, no. At that time, you should draw the rectangle and then select, not pick select. Huh? When there is only one vertex to select, one face to select, at the time pick selection is okay. You are taking the cursor and just selecting is okay. But when there are more vertices, more number of multiple vertices, multiple faces, multiple edges, multiple objects, at that time you have to draw the rectangle, cover the entire area and then select. Okay. Now you just alt deselect and then select again. No, practice that selection. Yeah, yeah. You deselect it. Deselect means alt A. Yeah, draw the rectangle and then select it. Yeah, so now all are selected. You are not able to see that, but before previously, when you what how you did, you just did pick selection. You understand what I am saying? You did pick selection. Just Alt A, no, that I will show you what mistake you did. Alt A, just go take your cursor there and just pick selection. Now you move it. There is one more thing. See, yes, that side. That is why we undo immediately undo whatever. So that is why we have to do rectangular selection because there are multiple, more than one. Right. Now you draw the selection. Yeah, rectangle. Yeah. Now make press yes in the keyboard. Uh, Drag the mouse far away. Yeah, enough. Bus. Okay. Fine. Now you bring the. This is called island. Okay. Huh? This is one island. So second island also you draw the rectangular selection and bring it into the UV space. Inside the UV panel only all work is there. That one. Yeah. Deselect and then do it. Yes. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Now bring it inside. Yeah. Now scale it. No, scale means you are making it big. Uh, so RTA is for deselection. Huh? Press yes and yeah. It should be inside the room. Okay, it should fit inside the room. So you will slowly scale it. Yeah, yeah, scale. That is, you can move also. No, you understand? Move and then move it in the center. Keep it in the center and then again scale it and like that you should adjust. Yeah, press yes. Slowly, 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 slowly. So yeah, yeah, very good. That's all. That's all. Right. Now go to the third island. No, no. Again, you did the pick selection. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Generally, we in other softwares we do like that, but what to do? We have to take care in this Blender software. Yeah. Now this also bigger. Make it bigger. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Fine. Enough. Right. Now all three islands are inside the UV space. Now if you apply the texture, no, it will nicely fit. Huh? Right. Now go back to layout module. Yeah, yeah. Need not change the view. Okay, let it be like this only. Huh? Now go to properties editor. Down. Little make it maximize it. Yeah. Even more. Even more. Yeah. Now, do you see material properties in the icons, in the list of icons? So many icons are there. Yeah. You see the label? Yeah, that one. Click. Press on new and then rename it. It will take time. Yeah, it will take time. Yeah. Double click on it. Okay, right. Anyway. Now for this wooden slab, so W slab you can write W slab underscore material MATR short form. Enter. Now go to base color. Down. Yeah. There, I just want you to apply some color. Okay, just for a temporary viewing. Uh, yeah, you have given a violet color or something. I think now. Yeah, it is applied. You have to see it. No, for that go to viewport shading. Up. Last time. Next. Next. No. Don't click there. No, next time saying. No. You first come back. No, come back where it was. No. You take previous icon. Previous. That one. Yeah. Uh, Now go to that last icon. Yeah. There, change it to studio. Yeah. Now, yeah. Enough. Escape. Yeah. Now press Z. No, escape. You are pressing some other button. Z means Z. Uh, Now material preview. Do you see the color? No. And that there you need not go. Do you see the color? Same color. Yeah. If you, yeah. Now if you want to change the color, you can just try it out. Go to base color and change it. Yeah, so like that. Right. Now this we are not going to give it color and all. Okay, we are going to give it a image, a texture image. So how to give it? Go to base color. That yellow color dot is there. Do you see that? Yeah, there you click it. You see how many menus. It's a big menu, right? So in that, a texture menu is there. Sorry, yeah. In the texture menu, image texture is there. Below. That you click. Yeah. Now in the right side, it is showing new, open, all that. So press on open. Yeah. Now wherever you have saved the texture, no, there you go and get the texture. Yeah. I think you have to go back. Go back. It's in assets. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, it is showing the texture. Now you go in the material properties. Go to material properties. Yeah, down. Scroll. No. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Now increase the roughness. Roughness factor is increase it. That is, you can just slider. Doing the slider, you can increase it. Escape. Just pull the slider, the blue color slider. No, the roughness. No, the blue color is there. No, just click on it and pull it. Blue color is there. No, yeah, that. Yeah. So you can increase the roughness like this. Right. So this is how we have to apply the texture. Okay. Like this, for every object you have to do the unwrapping and then apply the material and then apply the texture. Same texture. Yeah. So you want to do can you do that? Just to try for one more object without my help. You just try. If you have doubts, you can ask me. And then you just try. Now select this object. Yeah. Now press. You want to unhide all other things, no? So that you can choose the next thing. So first unhide all of them. Alt H. Yeah. For hiding what? Shift H. For unhiding Alt H. Right. Now select the second wood also. Second wood. Yeah. Second wood. Yeah. And then third, fourth, fifth. Like that. Shift select. Yeah. No. Okay. That is shift. Yeah, that is okay. But now shift select. That is next object, like that. Shift select. Yeah. Another last one. Last. Yeah. Now we don't have to do unwrapping for these pieces. Why? They are all duplicates. Yeah. You have done unwrapping. You have applied material. You have applied texture also. For one wood, these other woods are, that is, these four woods are like brothers. They are all same family, because from this wood only they all came, right? So what you can do is, to save your work, you can just copy the UV unwrapping information, material information, and then texture information. You don't have to do for these objects, four objects. Once again, you know do it. Now how to copy UV maps and texture, how to copy. So you have selected these four objects, they are like slaves. Okay, master is who? The first one, the textured one is the master. So finally you have to select the master. So finally you select, shift to select the master. uh, Shift is so do you see the difference in selection? What is the difference? Okay, I will tell you. This first one is in active selection. Finally, you selected, no, lastly, you selected, that is in active selection because it is in yellow color. Others are in orange color, which is dim color. So, master here is the active selection, that is yellow color. Other slaves are orange color. Yeah, that is called active selection, inactive selection, yellow, orange. Now, from yellow color, all textures, UV map information, all will be copied to orange color. So, Control L, uh, copy UV maps. Yeah, okay, fine. Now, again Control L, yeah, copy sorry, link materials, top. Yeah, that's all. Finished. So you got the textures. You don't have to do again for these objects, but other objects you have to do. You have to do from the first, like UV unwrapping, texturing, all that you have to do. So now you can come from the top because it is flat, no. So these objects are flat. So I wanted to show you this as an example. This we have finished. So now you can come from the topmost object, no. From there you can start your text UV unwrapping, texturing, all that. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Press dot frame cell first. Yeah, view selection. From there you should start. First you should keep in the view close up. No, first make it close up. It is where somewhere distant. See, when you want to lift a bucket or something, you lift from your room, and which is the bucket which is outside your house. No, you'll go to bucket and then lift. No, like that it should be. You should work conveniently. Yeah. Right. Now, yeah, wait. Uh, next what you will do, you will go into edit mode. You will select the top face, bottom face, or front face, back face. Yeah, like that you will do. But before that, you will first do deselection. How? Alt A. Yeah, very good, very good. And you should also check whether you are in face mode or not. In the top, you just check whether you are in face mode or vertex mode or not. Just check on the top, you can check. No. Top means in the upper region. You see in the screen, upper region. No. That is user perspective. Just above that, above. Go up. What are they? Mode. Vertex mode. That's called face mode. Yeah. So previous to that, what is that? Edge mode. No, that is what edge mode. Yeah. This you don't remember. You don't forget. Okay. Now, so you are now going to select this surface you select. That is top surface. No, whichever is bigger. Okay, right. Whichever way. Now, when you are selecting, no, wait. When you are selecting, you don't want to see the gizmo, no, scale gizmo. You don't want to see, because by mistake you may scale it. You may make the size bigger or something, which we don't want to do. So we don't need that equipment now. So what you will do? Press W. Yeah, you can press W. It will automatically go to the basic cursor. Now you can freely select. Yeah, very good. Now, yeah, selected. Now go to UV editing module. That is here. Press U. Or one more option I would say, because for everything if I tell you the shortcut, no, you may not be able to remember. So I will show you the tool where it is located. You see in the UV editing module, you are right side 3D viewport is there. You are in edit mode and you are in face mode. Okay. Now do you see submenus, view, select, add, mesh, vertex, like that? Yeah. In the last, UV menu is there. In that all UV tools will be there. Okay. Just press it. There you will see project from view. Yeah, that one. Yeah. But one second. Yeah. That is in the 3D viewport. Now, first we have to set it right side. You have to see whether it is in right viewport, or then you have to click that project from view. Okay. Now you are starting now. But so view selected. You press in the 3D viewport. Choose view selected. Yeah. So now after this only you should go to UV and then choose project from view. Yeah. Now again you can do that. Again you do project from view. That is, you can go to that UV menu. Right side. Last one. Just now you went there, no? UV menu. Yeah. Project from view. Yeah. So it is done. Now you have to move it somewhere, move it somewhere and keep it. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now, um, up surface, down surface also you should select. Now press Alt A, deselect it. Yeah, and then up face, down face you select. You are inside. No, 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 no. See where you first you should know where you are. No, your address. Can you see? No. See, it is like no, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. In the 3D viewport, where you are now, where the camera is showing, where the camera is showing, it is inside the object, right? Why you are inside the object? You can zoom out. No, you have the tools. Why you are not using? Yeah, like that you should think. That's all. Right now, uh, do the select the up surface and down surface. No, no. Okay. So okay, this surface if you are choosing also okay. No. Now do the parallel face selection also. Shift to select parallel face. Yeah, very good, very good. Now these two faces, parallel faces you have selected. No, 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 no. Wait, wait. First you have to keep the view. No, from where you are going to take snapshot of these faces. Yeah, you can just try to figure out. You can try top view you can go and see, front view you can go and see, right view you can go and see. Once you understand, no other objects will be easy for you. That's why I'm saying go to top view and see, front view and see. No, top orthographic view. Yeah. Okay, so top view cannot be done, right? Am I right? Because only why? Why? Because it is very less. You are not able to see it completely. Am I right? Yeah. So top view cannot be done. Okay. Now you go to front view and see. Front view seems to be okay, but still, just go to right view and see if maybe that is better. No. No, not at all. So front view is best comparatively. Front view is best. So go back to front view and then apply project from view. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. You are okay. You are wait, wait. I'm telling you. You are an individual house, right? Or some apartment. Okay. I want to take photograph of your building front side. Where I should go? Front of the house. Okay, fine. If I want to take photograph of your terrace, where I should go? Top. That is angle of depression. From top I should see. Yeah. Same way here also. You want to see its front face. Where you can see why you are going to top view. That is if you want when you want to take a photograph of your terrace. Why you are going to top from front side of the building you can take no. Little you will see some terrace no. Right. But that is not enough you are feeling. Right. I want to see the full terrace completely flat. For that only you are going to top or you are going to some other building which is more higher than your building. From there you are seeing your building, right? Same way we are here. Yeah, yeah. Same way we are doing because where from I can see the full area of what I have selected. Full area. That viewport I am choosing. From there I am shooting project from view. That's all. Very easy concept. You try bottom view. No, no. Bottom view means your No, no, not there. Here only you should. No, no, no. There is only one view. Yeah. Are you able to see bottom view? No. What full area is not seen. No. Yeah. So for this object, only from front you are able to see the full area. For this object, to view full area from front view only it is seen. Okay. So then now press. Now go to UV editor panel, zoom it out, zoom out. UV editor panel, left side. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Yeah. Now keep it up. Yeah. Now, so what is pending? That face you select. Yeah. So always don't forget to deselect. Okay. Yeah. I think you yourself do it. If I tell you every time no, you will not be able to figure out. Huh? Yeah, yeah, very good. Yes, yes. So you try to figure out from where this full area can be seen, which top or front or right. Yeah, yeah, very good. Yes, correct. Yeah. So this is all pieces are unwrapped. Huh? All surfaces are unwrapped. Now you can work in the UV editor panel. You don't have any work in the 3D viewport. You can maximize this UV editor panel so that it is very small. No, wait. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. No, this division will not change. I'm telling you. Bring the cursor into the UV editor panel. Now control space. Yeah, so like this you can work. Little zoom in, and then work. Yeah, yeah. Now make this guy bigger. See, you are when a guest is coming to your house, no, you will give him more space, no. So like that, no no, while no wait listen no wait listen. That is, but you are scaling wrongly, no. That is why I have to tell you. Yeah. I think when you do something, no, just undo it if you do it wrongly. If you once you know that. No. No. That is, you don't when you are scaling, no. Yeah, yeah. This is called uniform scaling. Okay, when you are there is I told you no three types of scaling are there: uniform scaling, dual axis scaling, single axis scaling. Never do single axis scaling inside the viewport. Huh? Mostly uniform scaling only. For that, this outside white color circle is there, is there right? That you can use, or else press yes in the keyboard and then you can scale it. Yeah, yeah. Now this you have scaled. Go to top. That faces you can rectangular. No pick selection. Yes. This is not move handle. You are in scale handle. Yeah. One thing I tell you, Gopal, whenever you are keeping the cursor on the axle, no, don't keep near that junction, or don't keep near that white color circle, no, small white color circle you are seeing. Don't keep near that. For example, you take your cursor to y axis. You take your cursor. There only you should do. Or else no, red color x-axis means they are same arrow, but some people know little come down. Yeah, there they try to move it. What happens, no, free movement it will happen. Just try it. Yeah, you can try anywhere, right side and left side. No, okay, and that is if you click. Yeah, that is If you click in the middle of that circle now, just middle of the circle you select, go. Now you yeah, move. So this free movement will happen. So instead of that, no, you can press exactly on that axle. Right. Now, now what you have placed, it is bit overlapping with the down one. So little give gap. Yeah, yeah, enough. Because we have more space, no, they can nicely take the space inside that room. Yeah. Now you have to make it bigger also. Okay, once you, it's okay, it's okay. Once you bring that down, we can make it bigger. Yeah, bring it down, bring it down. Yeah. Now for this one, no, we have to make a small change. It is rotated, right? So now, yeah, we have to make it straight. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, zoom in further. Yeah, yeah. Now go to rotate option and rotate it. White circle. Okay, you have selected one thing, I think. Undo, 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 undo. We have done a pick selection, uh, rectangular selection, and white circle. There is, okay, like this. Yeah, make it flat. Make it flat. It's still not straight. No, no, little more straight. Yeah, very good. That's one. Now scale it. Press yes in the keyboard and scale. Enough, 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 enough. Now scale this one below one. Select them. No, again you are doing. Yeah, no. Always rectangular selection. Only for single things you have. No. Now move it up because it is overlapping. I told no, when you are going for undo, undo, undo. No, no, undo, undo. When you are going for selection, don't go to the middle one. Circle, don't near that circle. It is very dangerous, you think. So go to the axle top. Mm, yeah. Now you have done this one. Now like this, no. For every object you have to do. Yeah. It's easy only, okay. Once you become, if you do for other objects also, no. Okay, this is what, it's very easy. Like that you'll feel. But initially it be bit looks like difficult. Now you have to come back to the viewports. No, it is now maximized. One viewport is maximized. So control space again. Yeah. Now you have to go to layout module. Yeah, this object is done. Other objects also you have to do. So press Alt H. Yeah. Okay, if we want to give the texture now itself for the first object, just now you did no unwrap for that. Okay, but then you select that object, first object, just now you did unwrap. Go to, you are in material properties, I think, already. Yeah, so go to new and rename it as whatever, that is WB, W slab, sorry, W slab. Uh, okay, uh, two you put. Now underscore material, MATR. Okay, right. Now go to base color dot, that yellow color dot is there. No, not that one. No need of color. Image texture, open and choose the same texture. No, here down is there, I think. Yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. Very good, Gopal. You have done it fast actually. You have learned fast. Hmm. No, no, no. I'm. Yeah, of course. It's a teamwork like that. Huh? Right. Now, can you do without my help, like other objects also? Yeah, that just below one object is there, no? That one uses. Yeah, yeah. That one. Now, view selected. Yeah, there is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. Like this one. Now, if you want to do the UV unwrap everything in the same screen, no, that is inside the layout only. It is possible, but it is always better to do respective work in the respective module. But for you, you have to. I'm feeling you are feeling facing difficulty going to UV, switching to UV editing. You have you are you have to recollect the next step of that. So here itself, I will teach you how to do that. Now, you go to edit mode. Little zoom in, no, zoom in. Yeah. Now you know that is it will be already in selection. So Alt A. Yeah. Now select the front face and back face. Whichever faces, parallel faces you want to select, you select. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Gopal, I always suggest you okay, certain things I don't want to tell you. See, when you handle something, no, you'll go near and handle, right? I think you are getting what I'm saying. You will not want to handle anything or any person from distance. Yeah. So like that you have to do. This face, when you are going to select, you have to go near it and then select. Uh, See, we have the options, no, zoom in, panning, camera option, all those tools are there. Just use them. Right. Now you have selected two faces, parallel faces. Okay, fine. Now you know which view. It is right view, of course. Yeah. So go to right view and then project from view. Yeah. This I am calling shooting. Okay, we are shooting, taking a snapshot of UV. Huh? Now, yeah, go to UV. Yes, yeah. Project from view. Done. You don't have to see it because you know it, right? So you don't have to see. Only thing, if you go to UV editing, you can just move it and keep it. That one advantage is there. So if you want, you go there, go and move it and keep it. Yeah, it is. You see, you can see on the left side it is. No, careful. Don't. You are doing free move, I think. And on the axle, you have to select and then. Yeah. So we yeah. Go to now. Go to layout module and then yeah. So select the next one. Middle mouse button. Middle. Middle. Now go to edit mode and then yeah, yeah, yeah. Back side. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Now go to, I think this is front view. Yeah, yes, good. Now UV editing module, move it up. Yeah. Now I'll tell you, Gopal, you know what are the remaining phases? Only two more phases are there, right? Those two more phases are already seen in the UV editor panel itself. You are seeing, no? UV editor panel, two more phases are there. Just take your cursor to the UV editor. There, come down, come down. You see those two faces, but it is in a square form. One is that is the shape is different, but they are actually you just select Alt A, do Alt A, select these two faces. rectangular selection. First do Alt A. First do Alt D. Yeah, yeah. Now you fresh do fresh selection. Both. Yeah. Now you go to layout module. Go to edit mode. Just see where it is got selected. You have to turn the camera and see. You see top and bottom are selected, right? Yeah. So in UV editor panel itself, you can select the remaining faces. You can select last two faces. You can select always. They are also, but always it is better to come and check here after selecting in the UV editor panel whether I have selected the right number of faces or anything additionally I have selected. Unnecessary faces also I have selected. That you have to come to layout module or 3D viewport, any 3D viewport, turn the camera and check here and there, turn here and there and check. The checking is always good. Right. Now go to layout module again, layout module. Yeah, I think this is from top view. Press Z. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Now, I think it is in object mode. This is how it is. When we switch to layout mode, no, from any other module, from shading module or texture paint or UV editing module, it will automatically set itself to object mode. You can see left side object mode. We have to deliberately do this. We are edit mode. We have to now. You go to yeah, right. Now UV and UV panel. Yeah. Now bring it down. No, inside the space only. Yeah. Scale it up. Yeah, scale it up. Scale. Make it bigger. Yeah, correct only. What you did is correct. Yeah. That is, I think you are press holding. I think in this case you just press. Yeah, a little smaller. Enough. Right. Now bring the other ones, other islands. When you are selecting, no, careful that you are not selecting the other. Your so bring it down. Mm, yeah, make it bigger. Enough. You have to leave the cursor. That's all. Yeah. Bring it down and then scale it bigger. Rotation also. Yeah. First you can scale it and then you can easily see it. When it is small, no, we cannot see it properly. Even more. Enough. Now rotate. Go to rotate and make it flat. Once I yeah, undo. If you had by mistake deselected, no, undo. Yeah, I will tell you how to do it. You just draw the selection. Uh, till the dots are there, no? Do you see? Like that. Wait. I will tell you. Wait. Deselect. Do you see the dot inside the face? There also up. No. Wait, Gopal. Wait. Listen, no. I just want you to first locate with your eyes. Don't do any action. Okay. Now, do you see the dot inside the face? Every face. This dot belongs to which face? No. That one. No. That this horizontal one. No. You take your cursor left side. This one. Yeah. So then upwards you are seeing, no. This one more dot you are seeing. This dot belongs to that face, standing one. Yeah. So there you just draw a rectangle. That is enough. There only that dot. Only no need. Undo. No. You are from the From outside you are bringing, no, even that is not needed, I'm saying. Undo, undo. Yeah, yeah. Just from inside only you just draw it. Ah, only the dot. Yeah, yeah. That's, yeah. So they have given this facility so that you can, uh, you may not, sometimes when it is overlap, at the time you can use this dot and select. Scaling. Enough. No, not this much, because no, it is a side one. No, scale it down. Scale this much is not. Scale it down. Scale it down. Yeah, enough. So now that is what you know. What concept is small guys. If you have in your house a 2 year kid, he will be given a small space, right? He will be given a small bed sheet, small cot. Like when you have a age old person, like 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, he will be given a big cot. Like that here also. When the face is small, face area is small in the object, that area, according to that area, you will give the space inside the UV space. Yeah, yeah. So which area is bigger in this space, this object? Just below that. No, no. Up. Ah, that one is bigger. So that should be given more. Okay, right. We have given it enough. Right. Now go to layout module. Yeah. Now turn the camera. Yeah. Little zoom out. Little zoom out. Slightly. Yeah. Now, do you see any similar objects like similar to what you have selected? These objects. Yeah. So now what you know very well, you can copy for other things also, right? So first select those slaves and then finally this master. Yeah. Select slaves. Yeah, yeah. Then finally master. Yeah. So you can see this yellow color selection, others are orange selection. Right. Yeah. Now go to no, don't go there. No need to go there. That is, we have to first copy the UV. We are what we are doing now is copying UV maps. Huh? Now UV information. Control L. Uh, Copy UV. No. Copy UV maps. Yeah, yeah. Just now we were doing UV only, no? UV unwrapping, we were doing. Yeah. We have done it, that's all. And material is not yet applied, no. We have to apply, not yet applied. Escape. Yeah. So first apply, first that master, no? Select the master. Yeah. Now go to new. Yes. Now you have to rename it as whatever, W slab 3. W slab 2 we created. W slab 3 underscore material, MATR. Enter. Enter. Now go to base color, yellow color dot, image texture. There you give the open. Yeah. Down. Yes, that's all. Yeah. Now you can copy it. Select the slaves and then finally the master. Yes, Control L. Link materials. Here, no, we are not doing copy. We are doing link materials. Yeah, that's all. Right. So, can you do other things? Can you do by yourself? You can try it. Huh? Yeah, you can try it. You can deselect it. Alt A deselect. Yeah. OS. If you are any doubts, no, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Whenever I am available, definitely I will. I will. Yeah, I will try to guide you. You can tell me. I will just consider it, and I will also tell my side when I can. Let them. weekly 3 days, that is best because you can have practice. What I was thinking is we can have 1 day gap actually. Yeah, yeah, so that you can practice and come for the next class. So yeah, yeah, now that would be very nice. So okay, now I will tell you. Generally you are saying no, Friday, Saturday, Sunday you are free. So if I'm also, if when I'm free, I'll just tell you that in the morning or something. I'll tell you today 2 o'clock class, like that I will tell you. You will prepare yourself. Yeah, yeah, you will. Any other commitments you will just keep aside and you will. Yeah, so you can also tell me some timing, no. Today for example, no, I told you I had some other work, so I couldn't come at 2 o'clock, so I told you 2:30. So at the time you can. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Morning, early morning is okay. Okay, Gopal, I will send you this YouTube link. I have recorded this video, no? So you can refer it. Okay. So save it. Save as, do. Save as share 3, version 3. Yeah. Okay. Save it. Right. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Bye.